Welcome back to Autoscope. 2026 Dodge 4x4 Motorhome. Outside, built on a robust Dodge truck chassis, such as the Ram ProMaster chassis, which has been shown to be reliable. Alternatively, if the vehicle is huge, it may be built on a larger, more durable chassis. The RV body design will feature optimized aerodynamics to reduce wind resistance and increase fuel efficiency. The body will most likely be constructed from composite materials that are both strong and lightweight. Its advanced four-wheel drive 4x4 system is the main feature that makes it unique. LED lights with a distinctive style that are up to date. Strong front and rear bumpers. A sturdy rooftop rack to hold additional equipment. A side awning that is portable and offers shade outside the RV. Interior. The selection of materials for the interior will be focused on their durability, ease of maintenance, and current appearance. Kitchen, a microwave oven, a medium-sized refrigerator and freezer, a sink with hot and cold water taps, a glass-topped stove with 2 or 3 burners, and an ample pantry for food and cooking utensils. It may have a dining table that is collapsible or extendable. The main sleeping room will most likely have a queen-size mattress. This motorhome's innovative and roomy storage will be one of its main advantages. Engine. Dodge is likely to offer a variety of powerful engine options for its 4x4 motorhome, including a powerful V6 or V8 gasoline engine or even a more torqued diesel engine, for better off-road and towing capabilities. In addition to the 4x4 system, the RV may also incorporate other off-road features including tire pressure monitoring, hill climb assistance, and hill descent control. Large-capacity deep-cycle batteries, rooftop solar panels, and an independent power source for extended off-grid operation will most likely be standard or optional components. The water and wastewater systems will include tanks large enough to carry long trips. To aid in mobility, there are many USB ports and side and rear cameras, 4x4 drive system for various terrains, Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, and large touchscreen.